Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, press your push to talk, and say one clear line to confirm audio. Once done, set a shorthand of site names and directions with your team so everyone uses the same words. Make sure you announce your agent and key abilities early. That reduces overlap and prevents wasted ultimates. Finally, confirm mic volume and proximity settings so teammates hear you without clipping. This immediate alignment gets the team coordinated before the first buy round. You now keep comms tight during rounds. Call enemy numbers and exactness, say too long, both tagged rather than vague hints. When engaging, report health and whether the spike is picked up or dropped, because teammates decide utility and rotation based on those facts. Use short, punchy confirmations like rotating or one more heaven, and then elaborate only if needed. Make sure to combine pings with verbal callouts to cover moments when someone mutes pings. You finish rounds by stating a single improvement and one victory note. Concise debrief beats long rants. If voice fails, immediately switch to text pings and have the designated leader call plays until the mic is fixed. Do not stop coordinating. Troubleshoot by rebinding push-to-talk, checking Windows privacy, and rejoining voice channels quickly. Finally, keep a named leader for late round calls so decisions are made fast and you avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.